What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new video, and today is going to be another Just Play video. I did a little bit of research on the internet, just searching things about Just Play, a little more information for everybody pertaining to the comments on the past videos and everything like that. I did find some more information that would be helpful for everybody, so I'm making a video to share it with you all. So that being said, let's jump into today's video. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video. Everybody, welcome back to another new
Hi, Devin.
And before we jump into today's video, I would like to tell everybody about my t-shirts. It's optional. You guys do not have to buy these. But since I kind of designed these and picked out like the quality of the shirts and everything like that, I feel obligated to just tell you guys about it, and it's there if you guys may want one. So these shirts, I do wear my own shirts, so most of the shirts that you see on my store, I do wear. So they are nice shirts. They're good quality. They're soft. And yeah, don't know how else to explain it, but they're nice shirts. It's got my logo on it. It's pretty much just a plain t-shirt, and yeah. And with all of the things on the store, I'm pretty much reduced everything down to where I'm only earning about $1 per sale. So I kind of wanted to make everything a lower price and affordable for everybody. If you guys are ever interested in getting any items from my store, all items will be the lowest price that I can put them. And so really I'm not earning a whole lot from the t-shirts, stickers, or anything like that. I'm only earning about $1 profit, and I just wanted it to be cheap and affordable for everybody. So some of the information that I found while searching the web about JustPlay is I found out they do have a maximum amount that you can cash out at one time, which is $30. So these countries on the screen that you guys can see here, these are all the countries that JustPlay is available in. So if you're not in one of these countries, JustPlay is not available right now. The only thing that I can recommend is to send them an email and tell them to put their app available in your country. And also, I share other apps and reviews of other apps on my channel. So there is multiple ways to find new earnings. So there are multiple ways that you can earn without JustPlay, but if you are in these countries, you're able to play and use JustPlay. And so I use Bing to kind of Bing AI to search the web a little bit, and this is what it told me. So according to the web search, JustPlay is a gaming reward app that pays you for playing other mobile games. You can cash out earnings every 3 hours with no minimum requirement for withdrawal. Part of that's not true. There is a minimum. Like if you're cashing out to PayPal, there is a minimum. PayPal is like a minimum of $2 that you have to have. It states that right here. Some PayPal providers some payment providers such as PayPal have a minimum amount of $2. And what I was talking about where there's a maximum cash out limit is $30, which states right there. The reason why I did the AI search is I wanted to see if it was pulling accurate information about pretty much anything really. And this is pretty accurate, but it's not something that I would really go off of. Which led me to, kind of try to find truth to it. And so there is a cash out maximum limit of $30. So once you earn $30, you can only cash out $30 every time. And so these are some complaints about the app of what users complain about, or not really like complain about, but they have issues with. So the earning potential is relatively low, with some users reporting variability in earnings, which it's true because it's based off of location, based off of coins, and based off of ad impressions, and based off of the overall time that you spend within their games and on JustPlay. So they said the bugs and technical issues may occur, which is pretty often for some users and sometimes not very common for others. So it just kind of depends on your location, I think. This says there's a limited information regarding payment processes and potential restrictions on cashing out. So that led me to kind of tell you guys that there is a $30 maximum. Like, that's the max that you can have in your JustPlay account. So if you earn, say, $60, you can only cash out $30 every 3 hours. The confusing coin to cash conversion rate can be a drawback for users who want to know how much money they earn, which is another thing that's true. The coin to cash conversion rate, it's not even about coin to cash. It's about coin earning, ad impressions, and the overall time that you spend within the games and the JustPlay app and things like that. So you really can't give a definite answer for that, because it's always going to be varied every single time. So sometimes you might earn 90 cents and then the next 3 hours it might be $1.50. It's just the only way to really kind of give a definite answer for that is to really just test, like I did. Test how many ads you watch, test how many coins you get, and things like that. That's really the only way that you're going to find out how much money you are actually earning. And it's going to be different for everybody. Like my one JustPlay video where I showed how many ads I watched, that's definitely going to be different for everybody. And the payouts are going to be different for everybody as well. If you guys found this information about JustPlay and their games and all of that good stuff helpful, please drop a like on my video and also subscribe to the channel. That way you can get notified of new videos, new JustPlay videos, and all sorts of different types of videos that I post. I want to say thank you to every single one of you for viewing my videos, liking my videos, subscribing to my channel. Everything that you guys do is super helpful. I appreciate every single one of you for everything that you guys do. So thank you again, and I will see you guys in the next new video. Peace.